Hey everyone, welcome to the long exposure class. My name is Phil Ebner and I'm a professional video creator, photographer, and online instructor. And I'm so excited to be bringing you this class where we break down the basics of long exposure. There's other tutorials and classes out there that teach long exposure, but I really wanted to break it down to the basics so that anyone can go out there and shoot amazing long exposure photos. Long exposure is a type of photography that really allows us to capture motion of objects in your frame and capture great night photography. You can even see things in your long exposure photos that you can't even see with your eyes. With most modern DSLRs and cameras, you're able to shoot long exposures. There is some other gear that I recommend you having for long exposures, but for most of us, we can just take out our DSLR camera and start getting some really interesting shots right off the bat. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this class. So the way this class works is I'm going to be covering the basics of what long exposure is, the settings and the gear you need to use and get long exposures. And then I'm going to be doing a live demonstration out in the field where I show you how I get my long exposure shots. And then I'm going to be doing a practice editing session where I show you how to edit long exposure photos in Lightroom. And throughout this entire course, we have a fun project which I'm going to be talking more about in the next video. So thank you so much for enrolling in this class, and let's get straight to it.